Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll be addressing a common concern: how to prevent the usage of your cameos in Snapchat ads. If you want to maintain complete control over your cameos and ensure they are not used in any ads, this full guide is for you. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow ghost icon either on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap to open it. Step 2. Once you're inside the Snapchat app, tap on the account icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. In the account settings, you'll see a gear icon. Tap on it to access the Snapchat settings menu. Step 4. Now scroll down through the settings options until you find Cameos. Tap on it. Step 5. Within the Cameos settings, locate the option Use My Cameo Selfie and tap on it. Then, select the option Nobody. By following these steps, you can easily prevent your cameos from being used in Snapchat ads, ensuring that they remain solely for your personal use. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.